1 tablespoon yeast and warm water in corn flour. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, salt, and powder milk. Mix well. Yeast solution. Yogurt. Mix well. Make dough. It should be soft. Rest for 2 hours. For making pizza sauce, cut tomatoes. Add oil, then add onions. Ginger, garlic paste. Tomatoes. Ground red chili powder. Salt. Mix well. Take rest. Ketchup. Blend it. Our pizza sauce is ready. In all, add chicken cube, ground red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Yogurt. Our chicken cube is ready. Dough. Capsicum. Pizza sauce. Steam the two soak in low flame. Tomatoes. Rest with all to plate. It should be thick. Pour tomato sauce in dough. Chicken cube. Capsicum. Tomatoes. Cheese. Ready to bake. After 20 minutes,
Yummy, yummy,
our
yummy,
pizza
yummy
is
meal
ready.
time. Yummy, yummy, yummy,